I just hope by the end of this lesson I'll be able to play this and I'll be able to teach you guys. Okay. By the way, if you're interested and you want to learn the lick he played, just kindly watch the video to the end so that you don't miss any part of it. Okay. And also, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share this video to your friends or this lesson to your friends. I also do private class lesson like this. If you're interested, you can just hit me privately on my DM. That is on WhatsApp. Then we can do more things over there. Okay. I'm just shocked. Grab a base and let's begin with the tutorial. Osei Poku was the bass player behind this song, and I had few comments from you guys on my WhatsApp that I should do this breakdown. So it took me like a day because I wasn't that free. I was busy. It took me like a day, like let's say 2 or 3 hours for me to be able to cover or to get what he played. So I am here to share with you, and so that in case you get this song at church or you're going to minister on this song, you can just play his lick. I think that's okay. So let's begin with a tutorial and see what we are to learn today. I try sure. So let me try and break it down. Let's start from what he played. So so you can learn this. So that is 1 2 2 3 2 1, the same to your 5. So that was one progression, the same to your 5. So that is 5 6 6 7 6 5. You understand? So 5 5 5 da 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 da. So to your 4. You understand? So 5 da 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 da. You understand? So now to your 6 6 6 7. Okay, 6 6 7. You understand? Okay, so we are playing on key C. Da, da, da. So let me show you how I use my fingers on that place alone. So my little finger, first finger, third finger. So the same. Then back to my 5 progression. So if I want to go to my 5, I don't use my little finger, but I now use my third finger on my 5. So when I'm changing to the next progression, I won't miss or maybe get a bad sound from the string. So you understand, it to be something else. So just use your third finger on your 5, then first finger and your third finger, then little finger, then to my 6 6 6 7, then you understand? So 1 2 3 1 5 4, then to my 6 6 6 7. So this is where the lick comes. So da da da. You understand? So now let's look at that little by little. 1 2 3. So you have your C here when you're descending. So you understand? I would say his bass sound more better than mine. So that is why his sound is more different than mine. But at least I want you to know the notes so that you can learn it. Okay, so you slide to your 1. You see, don't miss. That is the most hardest thing. Just don't miss the note. If you miss the note, it's gonna be wrong thing. Okay, so da da da. Then you descend. How to descend? You pluck on your 1, pull up back to your 6. The same thing to your 5. You pluck on your 5, pull up back to your 3, 2, and 1. So da da da. Okay, so when you reach 1 6 5 3 2 1, then 6 5 3. Remember 6 5 6 5 3 2 1. Okay, so da da 1 2 3. Okay, so when you reach here, I use my third finger to play my 6, first finger to play my 5, then I use my same first finger to slide to my 3, then use my third finger to play my 2 and 1. So this is the first lick he played. So now to the other lick he played there, that led him to, you understand? So he played something like that. So when you play your 1, start from your 2 here, you understand? So you need to be fast. So da 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 da. So 2 3 4 5 6 1 1 da 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 da. Okay, so then 6 7 6 5 4, you are descending. 6 7, you pluck on your 6, hammer on your 7. So you pluck on your 6, hammer on your 7, pull up back to your 6, then pluck on your 5. 4 3 1, your octave. 1 1 2 1 3 4. You understand? So you just need to take it slow. Then you play 3 4. You understand? Okay, 4. Then you play 6 7 7 7 5. Then you continue with the groove. Okay, so I think that is what he played, and just try and learn it. Take it very slow. You understand? Okay, this is what I have for you today. Just take it slow and learn it. Okay, know the notes and know how you can apply the notes and make it sound more better. Okay, then you can use them in this song, or you can just use them in any song with you using the lick, something like that. Okay, so you've got the first one, you can just use it in anywhere. Okay, you can even use this to another song. You understand? Okay, so just be creative with what you learn and use it in any other song or this same song. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.